Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. Now it's your channel and we are all in this together. So this is all your show and it is only called Archie Chaudhary's YouTube, but you all are involved and I'm so happy that everybody is joining in and every new person is having good comments about me and my channel. I'm so happy with you all. So please keep showering your love like this. So friends, today it's a most requested video and one of my subscribers, Shushmita, wanted me to use a jade roller, like if how would I use it. So I just purchased one and I used it and I'm happy with this result, and it's not a sponsored program. So I hope Shushmita you enjoy this, and let's see how I use it. And this facial has been very good with me and it's removed all my pigmentation. I just washed my face and came and I'm feeling so happy. You'll see me doing this, and here it is. And this is the facial. You can do it in a week, like 3 or 4 days also, because there are no harmful ingredients, all natural ingredients. So let's see how I do it. So here is a pinch of turmeric, a spoon of chickpea flour, which is even known as besan. So here I'm using aloe vera. I just need half a spoon of aloe vera. Yeah, more than enough. And I'm using half a spoon of glycerin. So I'm using a drop of glycerin too. I mean vitamin E too. So we'll take like 1 or 2 drops. Here it is. Yeah. So here I have mixed it everything, and because of all the glycerin and vitamin E oil and aloe vera, it's given a very good mixture, and we don't need to add even a drop of water or lemon juice or anything. So we'll just apply this on our face. So now we have taken this and we'll be applying now, and this facial is very good for pigmentation, dark skin and dark patches wherever you have, and this will really nourish your skin because it has all kinds of vitamin E and chickpea flour and all, and it has natural ingredients. So let's get started. And turmeric, it makes a person fairer. So let's get started. And here it is, like this is the consistency, and so I'll start applying now. So if you feel that the flour is too chickpea flour is less, you can add little more, because at this point even I felt like the consistency was too leaky. So I just put half a spoon, quarter spoon of more, and it really helped me in getting more. And I'm left out with very little. So I'll just try to fit in this also over my face and neck well. Feeling so good, and I can smell all the ingredients. I'll keep this for 15 minutes and we'll wash it off again. So I just ordered a jade, and I wanted to, somebody, a subscriber asked me that please show us how to use a jade after doing a facial. That's some plan. I just thought, okay, I'll do a facial and I'll show how to use this jade and the clip. So here I'm using the jade roller with the facial which I had done. It's really very nice, and it is not, it's this crystal, it's made with the, it's actually a crystal, and if you believe in crystals, that's good actually. But it's like a stone I can feel, and I can feel the internal rolling inside the skin. So it's really beneficial. I'm really liking it. After once I'm finished washing it, I'll tell you what are the benefits of this. It really makes a big difference. Oh, it's wonderful actually. So this was for the cheek, and now we'll come to near the eyes. Be very gentle near the eyes. Be very, very gentle. It's giving that heat sensation also because it's rubbing against your skin. It's really very, very good. I can feel it. Though this is my first time using it, but I can really feel the difference that I can feel. And you should target at wherever it is your good where you get the most attention on your face. So where you feel that you have to do good makeup and where you look good on your face is your cheekbones, your cheeks, your nose, your eyes. So you should see what is your best part of your face. Oh, we need to do it with this one. So it's really nice, I think. I used to do tapping with my fingers. I think I've showed you that in most of my facials too. So it's been 10 minutes. I'll just wash my face. See, I've spilled all over my t-shirt just like a small baby. But let me just wash my face, and it's almost dried also. From places you can see the shine actually. So let me just wash. So here I've washed my face and I'm feeling really fresh and nice, and there's no makeup, nothing, no cream, nothing. So it's all fresh, and I just had a very bad t-shirt when I was applying. It was all fallen, so I said, as well as when I'm taking a shower, I just said, okay, I can now just change my shirt, and here it is. So yeah, so this is the jade roller, and you can just take some cream or something and just keep rolling upwards. This also needs to just go upward, and you can really, when once it's rolling, you can make out that, you can feel that it is getting that heat inside, because the stone, this is actually a stone. It's made up of a stone and crystal. So I don't believe much in crystal, so it's just a stone for me, but it has the smooth finishing, so it really helps when you cannot massage much with your hands. See, I can feel that the my skin is getting so much blood circulation, and it's becoming red all by itself. I'm not putting any cream on all and showing you, because I really want you to get the natural effect. So I'm really very happy with this also. Not just because, and this is not a sponsored video, so if I want to say it is not good, I can even say it is not good. But I really liked it. It only takes a lot of practice using this and jade roller on your face, and you should always have something to massage with. You can use coconut oil, almond oil. Oh, it's very nice. Can you hear the sound? See, can you hear the sound? This is actually near the eye, under the eye. It's really very good. I'll do 2 and 3 times and show you all. It's good actually. Hope with doing all this, I get a good night's sleep also. And this facial which I do, I always do every week. So you can do this facial 3 times in a week. So last week I just missed it because I was a little busy, and I got off too many errands to do. So it's very nice. So it's nice. And now with the jade roller, I even got this, and this is called as gua sha. So this was used just like this. So this eliminates double chin and all the wrinkles around your lips and all. So this has to be done like this. So I hope you can see it. I think before I sleep, I'll use this again. I'm just showing you here. So this is how I understood, and this is how we should use. I mostly like to use my fingertips, and you've seen me how I do with my fingertips and how I tap on my face, and that's how I have shown you some previous facials also. So this is how it's done, and all is good, but doing with your own hands, eating with your own hands gives a real good pleasure, you know. So I actually like to be simple in that way, and you all know how simple I am, and I just like to share all my recipes and all the home remedies and all. So I just love to show this. Usually I love to do everything the traditional way. So I hope you liked my little tutorial of this jade roller and gua sha, and I hope you liked everything in it. And if you have liked it, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a good night.